But I wanna know, before you come through, a pretty girl like you, what you tryna prove? If your daddy knew where you was, he'd hate it. And who you was with, he'd probably go crazy. He wants you with a college educated, a guy who made it out the hood. And your friends think I'm bad news, they think I'm trouble. After you leave, you just say I love you. So can you tell me, what a good girl like you want with a thug like me? I'm hanging in the hood, you living in the burbs. Lord, is it gon' work? No, no, no. What a good girl like you wanting a thug like me. Now is it my style that's got you going wild? Baby, can you tell me you're from a good home? Yeah, you're so good. Food and trips in the summer where I'm on the corner. Opposites attract, but this ain't your life. And I know you think I'm wrong, but trust me, I'm right. How would you feel if you got that phone call saying I got locked up or the block got shot up? Hey, it's a possibility if you're with me. You say that's fine if I gotta do time. And I wanna know, girl like you want with a thug like me. I'm hanging in the hood, you living in the burbs. Lord, is it gon' work? No, no, no. What a good girl like you wanting a thug like me. Now is it my style that's got you going wild? Baby, can you tell me? What a good girl like you want with a thug like me. I'm in the hood, you living in the burbs. Lord, is it gon' work? No, no, no. What a good girl like you wanting a thug like me. Now is it my style? It's got you going wild. Baby, can you tell me?